Hello, I was just sent this builder gel and removal kit for nails, and I'm very excited to try this out because it also comes with this cute little cat looking UV light, so you would just be able to click this and turn this on for fast curing of that gel, and it's very portable and chargeable. Here's our instruction manual and the removal spray, the gel, and a couple tools here. So I have this builder gel here, and I would just take my nail and you could either grab a little chunk or just dip your nail in. And it's pretty malleable. You can pick it up and move it around. It's not too sticky. And then I would flash cure that for 10 seconds about, pressing it down, make sure there's no bubbles. I would hold it on down for some hard wear. And then this spray helps remove your nail in 5 seconds. You just spray it on like this. And then you would take your tools here and just scrape off from the underneath side. This is a really cool kit, and it's really easy to take on the go. And I also love how this remover, you can reuse your press-on nails or your Gel X nails with this glue. You just remove them off, and then you can save them for a later date, and they'll stay on a good long time. And I'm very excited to use this as a beginner nail tech.